Hey, hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made around $50 in just single day with Warrior Plus account. So in case if you don't know what is Warrior Plus, it is a similar affiliate network such as ClickBank, Max Bounty or PureFly. So basically this network is very much popular around among internet marketers, as most of the products are related to internet marketing. Here you will not find products such as some products like weight loss or numerology, that type of thing. They're most 99% of the product is related to make money online. So let me refresh this for you one more time. As you can see, still the same number, around $50. As you can see here, last day I sent around 135 clicks and managed to get around 3 sales. Let me show you in the more tab. Let me click yesterday. As you can see, the first product 79 clicks and 3 conversions, guys, around 4% conversion ratio and around $0.64 per click, guys. This is the amount I am making on the section. What is it is saying dollar per hop means it is click, guys, nothing else. And dollar per sale means how much average sale is costing me. There are some upsells to this product. You can click here and it will load the upsells. You can see here, no, I'm able to manage 2 sales on front end, and one of the upsell I am able to get 100% commission. This is the best thing about Warrior Plus, guys. Most of the products offer 100% commission on front end sale, guys. So if you are selling ClickBank product, then generally you get around 70 to 75%, but most of the products listed here are offer 100% commission, guys. So you can make money very fast, guys. So let me show you. If you want to go, just go to this site, guys. Let me warriorplus.com, and you can register yourself an account. It's very easy, guys. Just registering, and similar to registering on Facebook, guys. There is nothing, there is no approval or something, like just direct access to. So when you will come, go to the top seller section and pick any offer, guys. Make sure that offer is related to something useful such as traffic app, or right now I'm promoting a product which creates ClickBank sites on autopilot, guys. If you don't have hosting and domain name, or you just don't know how to create websites, and still want to have the websites, just click the link in the video description, guys. You can create multiple ClickBank websites with just one click, guys. That websites will automatically rank in Google and bring traffic from Google, and your affiliate link will be automatically installed in their sites. So you just need to uh, create multiple sites, and all those sites will bring 100% free visitors, and that visitors will buy things from your link, guys. This is very useful tool, guys. Just click the link in the video description. You can activate your own site without having coding, without domain, guys. You don't need to have anything, guys. Just click that link given in the description, activate your one click site, guys. Your site will start bringing traffic and commissions from today, guys. So let me show you my dashboard again, guys. Yeah, $50, guys. This is complete free traffic, guys. I'm not spending any money. And if you want to know the software I am using, I also mentioned the same software in my last video, but if you have not watched that video, I am also going to add another link in the description, which will say free traffic app. Just click the link and you will be taken into the app. Just activate your app. App is very simple, guys. You just 3 steps you can bring around, you can see around 200 clicks per 100 to 200 clicks per day, and you can expect around 5 sales if you send around 200 clicks to any offer, guys. So this is very popular network, guys. Let me refresh. If you don't know, you should register on this network, guys. Conversion ratio is very high, and that's all, guys. If you want to know anything, or just comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and both the links are in the video description, guys. First link will be to the app that will create a one click ClickBank auto commission generation sites, and second link will be for traffic generation, guys. The software will pour your site with unlimited amount of traffic. You can expect to 200 to 300 daily clicks to your links, guys. Just imagine how many sales you will make. You can easily get 2 to 3 sales per 100 clicks, guys. So you can make up to, I'm just setting this, guys. I'm just starting out, that's why traffic is less. When you can see here, I am able to get the 3 sales in just 135 clicks. Just imagine how much I might have made around if I able to generate 200 clicks, guys. So thank you. Just check out the link and don't forget to like and subscribe.